Attention, Zebec, zbcn holders, the super app is finally available on the App Store. We're going to be taking a look at Zebec, guys, talking about why I'm insanely bullish on it, talking about the overall crypto market, and speaking about why we are so close to a bottom and why this year is the year to be accumulating good, solid utility altcoins such as ZBCN. If you guys are new to the channel, my name is Crypto Ro. I've been in the crypto game since 2017. I've retired from it completely. I've retired from my job, completely at the age of 24 thanks to crypto, and now I'm helping you guys do the same. So if you guys are new, stay until the end. If you like what you see, consider hitting that subscribe button. We're almost at 20,000 subscribers. With that being said, guys, let's get straight into today's video. So we're going to take a look at the overall market right now. You can see Bitcoin hovering around 64K. You love to see it. Let me just refresh this to make sure this is accurate. Yeah, hovering around 64K. Ethereum pumping. Ethereum is doing really well recently for the sole reason that there was a layer 2 known as Robinhood that was launched on it, which indirectly gives a lot of exposure and a lot more revenue to the Ethereum chain, which is absolutely phenomenal. You love to see it. Hopefully, you guys be making us a move towards the upside because Ethereum is one of my biggest holdings. And also, if you guys want to know exactly what I hold, whether it comes to stocks or cryptos, just literally comment stocks down below, and I'll send you guys a link where you could check it for absolutely free. Now, with that being said, guys, let's take a look at Zebec right now, sitting at around $221 million market cap, 223 in the last 24 hours, up a little bit. You love to see it. In the week, it is down. Now, I did send out a buy alert for Zebec inside of my private Discord, which leads me to say, listen, even though the markets are rough right now, I am buying. I'm selling, I'm doing all this, guys, and we're buying meme coins or selling meme coins. If you guys want to know exactly what crypto projects I get into, what I hold, if you want to be the first to my alerts, even know about it before I post YouTube videos, then you need to be a part of the inner circle. That is my private Discord community. Link down below. Go check it out, guys. There's people in there that have made 20K in a month. There's people in here that have made 25K in 2 months. There's people in here that have, literally made over 12K. Look at this guy. I'm up 18K off of $1,000 initial. Absolutely mental. Now, past profits don't guarantee future results, but there's merit to be inside of it. So click the link down below, join, and I will see you guys inside of there. Now, let's take a look. Some key integrations for Zebec that we need to point out. In late 2025, Zebec announced its application to join Nasha. Now, if you don't know what Nasha is, think about things like Zelle. Think about, I don't know if Cash App is under the same thing. I'm not American, right? Don't know how these things work, but the governing body over all of that is Nausea. And when you send money using these things, sometimes it takes days to send. So imagine Zebec working with the head, the governing body, essentially, not the governing body, but the one who oversees everything to streamroll payroll, right? Streamline payroll, which is absolutely insane. Nausea itself governs the US ACH network, which processed $93 trillion in transactions in 2025. The membership was officially confirmed by Naja in Q1 2026 as part of a cohort of 20 members publicly announced. In the same period, Zebec reported completing its ISO 20022 alignment process, working towards the international financial messaging standard used by SWIFT, central banks, and major cross-border payment networks globally. ISO 20022 compatibility is a technical prerequisite for any financial infrastructure seeking integration with regulated settlement systems. Zebec also completed its integration with NAPPay, a U.S. payroll processing routes more than 158 billion in transactions annually across 318 ACH clients. The integration enables employers to disburse employee wages simultaneously through both traditional ACH Fed Now channels and Zebec's real-time payroll infrastructure streaming layer from a single unified dashboard. Well, that's absolutely insane, guys. Let's take a look at something that the founder actually posted. He said, "We started Zebec with one observation. Workers all over the world were waiting days or weeks to access money they had already earned. We built the infrastructure to fix that problem, and the only way to deliver that infrastructure to enterprises at scale is to meet the compliance standards they require. Everything we have done over the past 18 months, the ISO alignment work, the Naja membership, the NAPPay integration, follows from that original commitment. The 2026 initiative formalizes what the protocol has been building towards since day one." Absolutely love to see it. This is a gem of an altcoin. And just imagine, guys, because they've been on some spaces with Google and YouTube. So just imagine AI integration of this thing as well, where AI agents, they're becoming the next big thing. But imagine that Zebec somehow integrates into this AI world where they don't need to get access from third parties in order to actually access finances, right? AI agents are able to basically get into that all through itself with the payrolls that Zebec has built. That would be absolutely insane. Let's take a look at how the price action is doing right now. Sitting at the support area, obviously, you can see that we haven't tested this low since about March, February time, right? So if you guys are looking for a good risk to reward entry, you may be looking at a pretty decent one right now. From here, just getting back to the local high that we have set just a couple months ago, it's about a 60% move, right? To the top, about an 80% move. Now, this was set back in May, which isn't too far back. And if I'm being honest, guys, I told you guys that we're gonna go lower. I told you guys Bitcoin's gonna drop lower. I personally think that the low for crypto is gonna happen sometime around here. You can see this blue arrow over here, guys. Okay. I'm hoping that Bitcoin dips below 50K, because if that is the case, you better believe that I am going to be buying as much as I can, because hey, listen, Bitcoin, guys, is going to break over 100K once again. But this video obviously is not about Bitcoin. This video is about none other than ZBCN. But I'm here to tell you guys that, listen, June, July might be a little bit, more bullish, or June was obviously rough because we set new lows, but expect July to be a little bit of a recovery month, right? July is probably going to stabilize the market, show a little bit of sign of upward strength. And then when Q4 comes, we are going to experience some more downside, in my humble opinion, right? That's just how the crypto markets move. That's how they've always maneuvered. That's how it's always been. So keeping that in mind, guys, navigate it according to that, right? Obviously, this isn't financial advice, but please, please, please just be cautious out there. Receiving your payroll in crypto should be as simple as possible. Starting July 14th, Privy will be available in Zebec Enterprise, making it easy for businesses to onboard employees who are new to crypto using familiar sign-in methods without requiring them to manage private keys. Attention to all ZBCN holders, iOS and Android mobile apps have been released pending the official announcement. Zebec is now live on Facet, over 125 countries, and is now live on Indodex with trading starting July 9th. I've got my popcorn ready for listing season. If you've been around Zebec long enough, you know it's almost never just one announcement. One catalyst usually turns into a combo play. Now, the thing that I want to focus on over here, guys, is this. Boom. You love to see it. Mobile apps have released pending official Zebec announcement. This is absolutely massive. Now, again, this gives access to the average retail investor to take advantage of the entire Zebec ecosystem, which allows you to stake your Zebec, which allows you to spend your Zebec, which allows you to earn your payroll as well. Right now, I'm not 100% sure how many employers have set that up and how many employers have allowed for that to happen, but obviously, super bullish on the entire ecosystem around ZBCN and the future. Now, one thing to note, guys, is that I'm not a financial advisor, but if you guys are interested in knowing when I buy into crypto, if you guys want to know exactly how I navigate these markets, and you need to be a part of the inner circle. That is where everything happens. Past profits do not guarantee future results, but join me inside of there. I'll see you inside the inner circle. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next video. If you stayed until the end and you like what you see, consider subscribing. I'll see you guys next time. Thanks for watching. God bless you. Jesus loves you. Take care, y'all, and peace out.